Apartment 7206 is our newly renovated Poplar floor plan. As you enter to your left, you'll see an open floor plan of your living room and dining room. This apartment will have plank flooring and newly painted walls. Right off of your living room is your private balcony with a beautiful view of our walking path. Each apartment has central air and gas heat. They are all also cable ready with your choice of Verizon or Comcast. Here we have your kitchen. Your kitchen has brand new stainless steel appliances, gas cooking, quartz countertops, and a breakfast bar. You'll have a garbage disposal, an ice maker, a big spacious refrigerator, and a pantry. Off your hallway is your bedroom. Your bedroom has brand new carpet, large windows to let in a lot of natural light, and an expansive walk-in closet. Here you'll find your full-size washer and dryer with extra storage up top. Your bathroom across the hall will have a large soaking tub, a linen closet, plenty of cabinet space, and quartz countertops.